there are 4 rounds, 10 questions per round, plus 10 for a correct answer and minus 5 for an incorrect answer. So whosoever feel that they know the answer, just raise your hand as quick as possible, and the volunteers will see through and you will get to answer your question. Okay, so and if a question is answered incorrectly, that question is collapsed right there and it will not be passed on. Okay, so yeah, and so before starting, the Science Day is celebrated, as you all know, for the discovery of Raman effect. And with this, we will start our first round. So ready? Okay, we'll start something easy. We are living in which galaxy? Oh God.
B. Milky Way galaxy.
10 points for your team. And be quick guys, be quick, okay? Chalo, for the next question, it's Milky Way. Carbon dioxide plus water plus sunlight. Photosynthesis. Hands become warm when we rub them together. What is the reason? Okay. It's frictional force. Okay. We'll go on for the next question. What is the most abundant element in the universe? That.
Hydrogen.
Correct. 10 points. It is hydrogen. And pasteurization was invented by. This is correct. 10 points. Yeah. What element does diamond contain? I think we'll dissolve this question, but anybody can answer. True. Okay. Who discovered the 4 biggest moons of Jupiter?
Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei.
True. At what time of the day will the shadow disappear? Okay. Correct. He got Nobel Prize for the explanation of which phenomenon? Correct. Just wait for one question, then we'll go A, B, C, D, okay? It's for the explanation of the photoelectric effect. First woman astronaut of Indian origin to go to outer space. Okay, from now on. Yeah. So from this ends the first round. So from second round, we will be going. Yeah, scores will come. So we will be going team A, B, C, D. Right? Okay, now team A and team B, team C, team D. Okay, for the second round, yeah, it's Kalpana Chawla. For the second round, team A will answer, right? Which of the following is a scalar quantity? Yes. Correct. Okay, and the next question goes to team B, right? Identify the following element. Correct. Team C. What is Ramanujan number? Next.
1296 something.
No. Pass. Correct. Do you know the reason for this 1729? Yeah, so the Ramanujan number 1729 is the smallest number which can be written as sum of two cubes. And there is an interesting story for this. When Ramanujan was really ill, his professor Hardy came in a taxi. The taxi had this number called 1729, which Hardy felt that it's not very good number, it's giving some bad sense, etc. etc. So he went to Ramanujan and he told that, see, I have came in this taxi 1729. Then Ramanujan suddenly told, no, this 1729 is very unique number, and he gave this explanation right away without any delay. So that's how this number got. And I am so inspired by this story that my phone number last 4 digits reads 1729, and even my Gmail has last 4 digits 1729. So we'll go to the next question. Team D. Which is the least dense planet of our solar system? Be careful. Correct. And Saturn is the density of it is actually less than water, that it floats if you keep it in water. Okay. So, question number 15 goes to team A again. Which physics law best describes the following GIF?
Yes, I know this.
For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Correct. That follows Newton's third law. Yeah, right. And question number 16 goes to team B. Ready?
This answer.
Yes.
Abdul Kalam.
Correct. And yeah, so regarding Abdul Kalam, these are the 3 books which he wrote, and the last book I had read, it's very small book, I think you can start reading it, it's very good. Okay? Question number 17 goes to team C. What is the speed of a geostationary satellite with respect to Earth?
Pass.
You can answer, you can say pass.
Which answer?
You can guess also, there is no negative
24
marks.
hours. Pass to team D.
Okay, I guess we have to pass it. So, any answers from team C? No? Okay, team D. No? Pass it to A. Pass it to B. Okay, the answer is 0 because it is geostationary satellite. So with Earth it rotates along with Earth. So yeah, it's 0. Question number 17 goes to team D. Ready? Oh, sorry. The following image is the first image of which type of astronomical object? Your answer is wrong. Team A. Any answers? Team B.
Black hole.
Correct. It's the image of a black hole. So yeah. And have you ever watched this movie called Interstellar? Yeah. So we'll go to the next 12 questions. Next 10 questions. It's fine. No.
There is no negative mark.
And it was a past question, right? Okay, we'll go to the next question. The following are together known as what? Team A. Yes. three are together known as what?
Yeah, you can answer TV.
Correct. Next to team B, question number 20. In which of the following the object is at rest?
Object number 2. B.
Correct. We will not count the rounds. We will directly go to question number 21. Don't consider this as rounds. They are just number of questions from now on. So don't consider this. So we'll go to next question, and it will be answered by team C. Okay. Litmus paper dipped in soap water turns into which color?
Blue color.
Correct. Blue color. Yeah. And question number 22 goes to team D. What is the main reason behind the seasons on Earth? See the question, see the...
Yes, the hint itself in the diagram.
Huh? Exactly. The tilt in the axis gives rise to the seasons. Okay. Question number 23 goes to team A. Okay, this is the answer. Which process is responsible for sun to shine? You can guess an answer, but one answer.
Just one answer here.
Correct. It's for nuclear fusion. And question number 24 goes to team B. Compressed or elongated spring has which form of energy? Correct. The next question to team C. That's the potential energy. Guess the phenomenon.
Team C.
Team C. Huh?
Aurora formation.
Correct. Aurora formation. Question number 26 to team D. The broken pieces of magnet will attract or repel. Correct. They attract because of north and south poles. Question number 27 goes to team A. The ballet dancer rotates faster when they fold their arms. Which conservation law is responsible for this? Yes? Anybody?
Okay, last 5 seconds.
No. Pass to team B.
This is it. Say bro.
Last conservation of angular moment.
Correct. Conservation of angular moment. Question 28 goes to team B. What would be the speed of light in a medium with refractive index greater than 1? See the options and answer.
Last 5 seconds.
No. Pass to team C. No. Pass to team B. No, it's just an answer. You can just answer. See, why is that so? Yes, the velocity of light is correct. The velocity of light in vacuum is 3 to 10 power 8. So you had to just choose an answer which is less than 10 power 8. Yeah. So question number 29 goes to team C.
I think that boy has given the most intelligent answer compared to all.
Yes. So question number 29 to team C. Weight of moon is 1/6 of weight of earth. If mass on earth is 66 kgs, then mass on the moon is team C. Huh?
11.
Wrong. The pass to team D. Huh? Yes, that's the correct answer. The mass will remain same. It's the weight that changes, and it's depicted in the picture there. It's the same girl standing on both, but the weight is changing, but the mass is same. Question number 30 goes to team D. Right? What is laughing gas? Wrong. Wrong.
Pass.
Last 5 seconds.
Yes.
Correct. It's nitrous oxide, and so we'll go to question number 31 from here, and team A.
Last 10 questions.
This is the last round.
So team A, see your question. Which type of mirror is this?
Convex.
Correct. Who discovered X-rays? Team B.
Last 5 seconds.
Pass. So pass to team C. Yeah, correct answer. It's Ramanujan, and actually the picture which you see here is the hand of Ramanujan's wife. So when he first discovered that there are X-rays, so first he filmed his wife's hand, and actually when his wife first saw the picture, she literally freaked out, saying, "I saw death," because nobody living has seen their own bones, right? So this is the picture, and yes, it is Ramanujan. So question number 33 goes to team C. Team C. It goes to team C, right? Yes. Question number 33. What will happen to water level inside the red beaker after some time? Just think.
Increase.
Team C can answer.
Yes, team C.
Increase.
You can guess also. If you are.
Yes.
Increases.
In-
Increases.
Yes, correct. And why is that so? Okay, so yeah, basically the candle eats up the oxygen and the pressure inside is decreased. So that's why the level raises. Okay, so that's question number 33, team C. And question number 34 goes to team D. Needle of compass points towards north and south directions. Why? It's because of the Earth's magnetic field. And can you tell me on the North Pole what is the Earth's magnetic field? Correct. Okay, team D gets the points. And question number 35 goes to team A. It's not South Pole. Which of them will hit the ground first? There is a 10 kg ball and there is a 5 kg. Correct. Both of them will hit. And do you all know about this story of Galileo dropping the two weights from? So it's correct. It's both. And we might get a chance to see a nice video done by NASA. So we'll see. Question number 36 to team B. In a toss of two coins, what's the probability of getting heads for both of them?
1/4.
Correct. It's 1/4.
Please clap for everyone.
So question number 37 goes to team C. What has happened to the light in the fourth picture?
Diffraction.
You want to give an answer? Team C? I heard some.
Total internal reflection.
Correct. It's total
Deflection.
total internal reflection. That's correct. Question number 38 to Team D. It's total internal reflection. Cos 0 into cos 1 into cos 2 till cos 100. What's the value? That's correct. So 38, Team D gets the points. So last two questions. Question number 39 goes to Team A. Yes, that's the reason. Cos 90. All the beakers are of same height. Which of them will get filled first, A or B or both? Huh? That's not the correct answer. That's not the correct answer. Correct. Because the pressure on both A and B is same from the atmosphere, so both of them will the water will get filled at same level. Okay. So last question to Team B.
We will ask 2 extra questions.
To cover up. See the picture, a student drops the ball, so the student is there and choose the correct sentence. The person on the ground sees the ball moving vertically down alone or moving downwards and forwards. Team B.
Moving down vertically alone.
No, that's not the correct answer.
Downward and backward.
No, it is not downward and backward.
He's going forward, the ball will go backward.
I will explain it to Team C.
B.
Okay, I'm sorry. So the reason is, you see the train is moving at velocity v. So if you are standing and if you see a guy on the train dropping a popcorn, whatever, so it will travel forward along with the train, and because of gravity it gets pulled down. So it is moving forward and down. It's basically a parabola. Okay. Now the question number 41 to Team C. There is a the end slide. You can ignore it. The nature of charge of the particle is, there is a magnetic field going inside the board and a charged particle is coming from A and going towards D.
There is magnetic field is uniform. Constant magnetic field.
What is this?
Team C. You can guess. There is no harm in guessing. Don't want to guess. Come on, you can guess something. What?
Who is the answer? I don't know.
Negative charge.
Aman, did they say?
Negative charge.
That's wrong answer. It is positive. So the last question goes to Team D. What is the reason for the tides? I think similar question here.
Bro, you get a chance
Yes, faster.
Take it.
It's
The pass.
exactly. It's just the gravitational pull. That's it. Okay, and that ends the quiz round.